Welcome to Learn English Chill.
I cook noodles for my lunch.
I cook noodles for my lunch.
We listen to music every morning.
We listen to music every morning.
I clean my room on Sundays.
I clean my room on Sundays.
We eat dinner together at night.
We eat dinner together at night.
I open the window for fresh air.
I open the window for fresh air.
We watch movies on the weekend.
We watch movies on the weekend.
I water my plants every day.
I water my plants every day.
We study together in the evening.
We study together in the evening.
I wash the dishes after eating.
I wash the dishes after eating.
We play board games on Fridays.
We play board games on Fridays.
I fold my clothes after laundry.
I fold my clothes after laundry.
We laugh at funny YouTube videos.
We laugh at funny YouTube videos.
I take a shower every evening.
I take a shower every evening.
We sing songs in the living room.
We sing songs in the living room.
I write a journal before bed.
I write a journal before bed.
We dance to loud music sometimes.
We dance to loud music sometimes.
I sweep the floor every morning.
I sweep the floor every morning.
We eat ice cream after dinner.
We eat ice cream after dinner.
I do my homework in silence.
I do my homework in silence.
We paint walls during summer break.
We paint walls during summer break.
I iron my shirt before school.
I iron my shirt before school.
We rearrange the furniture often.
We rearrange the furniture often.
I feed my cat in the morning.
I feed my cat in the morning.
We bake cookies in the kitchen.
We bake cookies in the kitchen.
I drink tea while watching TV.
I drink tea while watching TV.
We take selfies in the mirror.
We take selfies in the mirror.
I read books in the afternoon.
I read books in the afternoon.
We fix broken chairs together.
We fix broken chairs together.
I light candles during rainy days.
I light candles during rainy days.
We charge phones in the bedroom.
We charge phones in the bedroom.
I sleep late on Saturday night.
I sleep late on Saturday night.
We share food during family meals.
We share food during family meals.
I draw flowers in my notebook.
I draw flowers in my notebook.
We listen to old songs together.
We listen to old songs together.
I make pancakes for breakfast.
I make pancakes for breakfast.
We eat popcorn while watching movies.
We eat popcorn while watching movies.
I stretch on the yoga mat.
I stretch on the yoga mat.
We clean the windows every week.
We clean the windows every week.
I talk to my dog outside.
I talk to my dog outside.
We study English in the evening.
We study English in the evening.
I eat snacks while reading comics.
I eat snacks while reading comics.
We decorate the house at holidays.
We decorate the house at holidays.
I wash my hands before lunch.
I wash my hands before lunch.
We play guitar near the balcony.
We play guitar near the balcony.
I write letters to my cousin.
I write letters to my cousin.
We play video games on Saturday.
We play video games on Saturday.
I cut vegetables for dinner today.
I cut vegetables for dinner today.
We sing karaoke every Friday night.
We sing karaoke every Friday night.
I mop the kitchen after dinner.
I mop the kitchen after dinner.
We dry clothes under the sun.
We dry clothes under the sun.
I clean my glasses with tissue.
I clean my glasses with tissue.
We move books to the shelf.
We move books to the shelf.
I watch the sunset from the balcony.
I watch the sunset from the balcony.
We talk about dreams at night.
We talk about dreams at night.
I turn off lights before sleeping.
I turn off lights before sleeping.
We rest after cleaning the house.
We rest after cleaning the house.
I sweep leaves in the backyard.
I sweep leaves in the backyard.
We fix things with simple tools.
We fix things with simple tools.
I write my to-do list.
I write my to-do list.
We eat fruits in the garden.
We eat fruits in the garden.
I brush my teeth twice daily.
I brush my teeth twice daily.
We drink lemonade in hot weather.
We drink lemonade in hot weather.
I paint my nails on weekends.
I paint my nails on weekends.
We laugh while cooking together.
We laugh while cooking together.
I close the window before sleeping.
I close the window before sleeping.
We sit on the floor during lunch.
We sit on the floor during lunch.
I pack my bag for school.
I pack my bag for school.
We make smoothies in the blender.
We make smoothies in the blender.
I water the garden every morning.
I water the garden every morning.
We tidy the house before guests.
We tidy the house before guests.
I read messages before going out.
I read messages before going out.
We open gifts on special days.
We open gifts on special days.
I clean my shoes with a brush.
I clean my shoes with a brush.
We light fairy lights at night.
We light fairy lights at night.
I peel oranges for breakfast.
I peel oranges for breakfast.
We study in the living room.
We study in the living room.
I wipe the table after lunch.
I wipe the table after lunch.
We play card games after dinner.
We play card games after dinner.
I brush my hair every morning.
I brush my hair every morning.
We dance in the rain sometimes.
We dance in the rain sometimes.
I check the mirror before leaving.
I check the mirror before leaving.
We tell stories on rainy days.
We tell stories on rainy days.
I take photos of my pet.
I take photos of my pet.
We look for snacks in the fridge.
We look for snacks in the fridge.
I fix my bed after waking.
I fix my bed after waking.
We paint pictures for the wall.
We paint pictures for the wall.
I change my clothes after school.
I change my clothes after school.
We build puzzles on quiet days.
We build puzzles on quiet days.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
We relax with soft music playing.
We relax with soft music playing.
I open packages with excitement.
I open packages with excitement.
We make salad with fresh vegetables.
We make salad with fresh vegetables.
I wipe dust from the shelves.
I wipe dust from the shelves.
We write names on our notebooks.
We write names on our notebooks.
I count coins in my wallet.
I count coins in my wallet.
We try new recipes for dinner.
We try new recipes for dinner.
I stretch before I go jogging.
I stretch before I go jogging.
We keep photos on the fridge.
We keep photos on the fridge.
I put lotion on my hands.
I put lotion on my hands.
We rest on the sofa after work.
We rest on the sofa after work.
Thanks for watching.